Good day, can you introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Janine Ayuban Bernadas, 37 years old. I live in Poblacion, Alicia, Bohol, Philippines. I have live-in partners with two kids. I have two brothers, one sisters, and I am youngest child in the family, ma'am and sir.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. I work last 2023 to 2025 in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. They are 4 members in the family.
Okay, what are your main duties in your previous employer?
Uh, taking care of 2 kids and also doing household work like cleaning, cooking, washing and ironing the clothes, taking care of elders, washing the car, marketing, gardening, and also taking care of pets.
Okay, why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because of the high salary, and I want to help my family, their needs, and Hong Kong is a nice country and also people there.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of food can you cook?
I know how to cook fish, steamed chicken, and stir fry vegetables, chicken, sweet and sour sauce, and quick soup.
Are you willing to take care of a young baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the baby has a fever? What will you do?
I will check first the temperature and tell my employer immediately and follow her instructions.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them how to good manners and how to read, write, and speak in English and sing nursery song.
Can you sing a nursery song? Can you give me an example?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time want to sing with me.
What kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding and kind.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
Honesty, patient, obedient, hardworking, and loyalty.
Okay, can you give me a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
Hi, ma'am and sir. I promise. Hi, hi, ma'am and sir. I hope you will give me a chance to be your helper in your family. I am responsible and hardworking. I promise I will do my very best to do my duties very well. I will always obey and follow her instructions. I can handle all household works even without your supervision, and I will take care of your family with especially if we have kids. And to finish, I promise to finish my 2 years contract with you. Thank you, ma'am and sir. See you in Hong Kong. Have a nice day.